McDonald's got hot honey. Let's give it a try and see how it is. And we gotta have a couple of those bag fries. We got the hot honey McCrispy. Let's get into this and see how it is. All right, so we got the hot honey sauce, we got pickles, we got these crispy jalapenos. Let's get a bite. It's really good. It's got a bit of a spice to it, good honey flavor. I'm liking this. These are those crispy jalapenos that are on it. A little bit of that DC action. All right, here we go. We got the hot honey dipping sauce. Get to try this, see how it is. A little dip of those fries in that. Let's try a nugget. This hot honey sauce is good. This is where it's at. Best fries in the game. I'm gonna pop the top on our McCrispy. Load that up with some of our fries. Throw on the lid. A little dunk in that hot honey sauce. This McCrispy is delicious with the fried jalapenos, the hot honey sauce. I'm gonna say the McCrispy is a solid 8.5 out of 10, and this hot honey sauce, definitely an 8 out of 10. Get to McDonald's and try this if you love hot honey.